I have been stalking you, Shashank, for the past 1 year. You happened as a random feed on my Instagram handle. And since then, I've been wanting to make it to one wildlife safari with you. And so then this was like the appropriate time for Shaurya's holidays and everything. So this Sherni brought her cub along. This was the ideal holiday for summers for us.
पेंच राष्ट्रीय अभयारण्य, आपल्या लाडक्या मोगलीचं जंगल, our India's pride land.
And this Pench was our dream, and here we completed our dream with so many natural sightings, and those animals are very beautiful to see and watch and experience. It was amazing experience. We feel like it is fortunate to have this kind of tour and safari tour where we can have light more and more of the different kind of birds, then the natural trees, then the atmosphere, then again our most favorite and for whom we are here, the tiger.
So basically, when we entered Pench itself, Shashank Bhaiya told us not to keep any expectations because it's very rare to sight a tiger. But of course, everything was perfect. From our guide, the driver, to the group itself, we sighted quite a few tigers. I think we spotted 9 tigers, and the experience was absolutely, I can't say, mind-blowing. I didn't expect we'll find one also, but here we're finding 9, and there's not one safari we didn't find one tiger also. So that was quite a experience, I would say.
I was very pleasantly surprised that like yesterday when I was coming out of the safari in the evening, I had tears rolling down because I didn't want to leave the jungle, not knowing when I'm going to return to them. But the serenity, the wildlife, the nature, and the basic thing is you not having a control on what the results are going to be. You may put in all your efforts because the driver, the guide, and most importantly you, Shashank, with all the abundant samanya gyan that you have, the knowledge that you put in, that yahan jana hai, calling hai, ye hai, wo hai, it's still not in your hands. And that's exactly what lesson life teaches you, that you can just put in your best and leave the rest.
Jackal family, peacock, sambar deer, spotted deer, wild boar, wild gore, and so many birds like oriental honey buzzard, crystal serpent eagle, white eye buzzard.
We spotted 2 leopards, so that makes 11 big cats. Then we spotted quite a lot of spotted deers. Then sambar deers, few nilgais, and then the birds. I remember 2 or 3 of them, if I'm not mistaken. The Indian roller, I think that's one of them. Then we spotted the kingfisher, the white-necked kingfisher, and then the orioles.
And then we were just going around to see other animals, and suddenly our driver, Phulchand ji, said, "Tiger!" And in the middle of the road, Lakshmi ji standing in all her valor. And she looks at us. She was standing just about 15, 16 feet away from us, and we made an eye contact. It was a romantic moment. Uncensored, unadulterated. It was a fantastic moment. She just stood till other jeeps came along, because then she kind of wanted to get into the jungle. But
kind of skid away.
Yeah, and then when she slided into the jungle, we ran after her in the jeep. We got a beautiful vision of her. She was in all her valor. Fantastic. Lakshmi ji was blessing.
Yes, at that water pond, we saw our favorite, and which is the logo of Shashank's racket trail, Drongo. We saw that bird with quite a short distance, so that we could identify his tail, his mouth, his
Crescent.
so the wings, and it was quite different. So we found that real sense, the and the qualities of that bird was also explained by Shashank. Like that bird can have the various voices, various different sounds. So he's quite all-rounder kind of bird, what we can heard and we saw also. So we are happy to have the sighting of the birds.
That bird color is black, but it's look very beautiful, decent, and charm.
Ram Bhaiya got an update on his phone regarding Durga, which she was, I think, around Central Pahadi or something. So that time, so as soon as Ram Bhaiya got the update, he told this to Shashank Bhaiya, and then the only thing Shashank Bhaiya had to say that time was hold tight, and we were like, कितना ही तेज जा सकता है Mukesh Bhaiya in this kind of terrain and off-road. But of course, it was an experience. The thrill of just driving to the tiger on that speed and in that terrain was amazing.
I second that.
And then we saw the tiger. थोड़ा time लगा दुर्गा को उठने में. She was sleeping. She was
थोड़ा टाइम नहीं लगा, बहुत सारा टाइम लगा उसको स्पॉट करने में पहले.
हाँ, पहले spot.
हाँ, शशांक kept telling us, देखो वो रही.
Third tree के नीचे.
थर्ड ट्री वो जो वी शेप है उसके नीचे देखो, पीछे देखो, रॉक के पीछे देखो, ब्राउन के पीछे देखो. Trust us, we could not see it till that woman moved.
Awesome. I mean, the people over here are so kind and generous. I remember all 3 nights they had something or the other to say at night. Ki alarm call tha, we saw a tiger over here, a tiger over there, a leopard over there. They were like completely after us whenever there was a tiger or leopard in our vicinity. And of course, we didn't get up at 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock in the morning and go and spot it. But knowing the fact that they are reporting us with this information that there are tigers around, there are leopards around, was just quite like. I'm sure they don't do this for others because I don't know if they do, but like the way they treated was completely. They were special. Let's just say that it was special.
Yeah.
Don't have anything.
We had a pleasant stay at the Mystic Oasis. Of course, there's always room for improvement, but we had a pleasant stay.
Whenever we saw that Shashank has got the very good choice of the hotels, the property, where the food has very genuine food, what we can experience. And because due to the hectic schedule of the safaris, we should have the proper digestion and the food quality should be proper. At the same time, we should eat also. That food is very good. It is slightly like our homemade food only. Apart from that, their staff is also very good. Rooms are comfortable and clean also, because here the remote places, this is a remote area, and it is middle of the nature, in the middle of the forest, and so that they may not have the amenities to have all those things, but still we found that this is very decent, and whatever we needed, it was very much there, so everything is fine with that.
Mukesh, better known as Mukesh Ambani over here. So he told me, like I was sitting in the first seat next to him throughout all the 5 safaris that we went for. And I said, Mukesh bhaiya, dikha do yaar tiger, bahut dur se aaye hai. Bola, ma'am, movement kara to dikha main dunga. Movement to kara do. So he just wanted to know ki wahan pe tiger hai. He would make sure you sight him. And Ram and his instinct, his intuition and his vision. Out of nowhere he would say, he would spot things unknown to the naked eye, he would spot it.
Yeah, 100%.
So brilliant experience.
We found that there are 2 heroes for all these stories. It's a Mukesh, the driver, and Ram, the navigator, who was the guide. His instincts about the situation, about the places, about the tiger sighting, it was just more than perfect. And Mukesh, he can drive his jeep at any location, whenever, at any given point of time, because there is a time schedule, very fixed time schedules. We need to have the return at the same exact time within the time limits. But because tiger never know ki it is our time or not, so that whenever it is a last minute sighting, that Mukesh makes the points that we can have the proper glimpse of that particular tiger or tigress, so that we can, at the same time, he obeys his terms and conditions of his own duty, where he make us reach at the exact proper time.
जंगल तो सभी लोग जाते हैं, जंगल समझना है और वाइल्ड लाइफ के बारे में जानना है तो शशांक जैसा इंसान आपको कहीं पे भी नहीं मिल सकता है। शशांक का जो एक्सपीरियंस है वो हमें हमेशा शेयर अच्छे से करता है।
वाइल्ड लाइफ एक्सपीरियंस, वाइल्ड लाइफ स्टडी, वो जो उनका है
और जो पैशन है वो आपको हम लोग ने बहुत कम ही लोगों में देखा हुआ है। तो जंगल के लिए शशांक बना हुआ है और हमारे लिए भी। वी आर वेरी थैंकफुल टू शशांक एंड ऑल्सो पेंट जंगल।
Shashank, we look forward to so many more such expeditions with you.
So I would like to add one thing. If you come with Shashank, be prepared to come with him for a second time. For sure. That is because we are first timers and we fell in love with the jungle. Like the first safari itself, we saw everything. We in the Kushapar gate, we saw nilgais, we saw spotted deers, monkeys, langurs, and then of course we saw Durga herself sitting majestically like she does. So yeah, if you come with Shashank, be prepared to come with him a second time for sure.
And I would like to say that if you have come with him once, trust me guys, आपने subscribe कर दिया for life. It's a lifetime subscription that you kind of signed up for.
If you would like to in fact join us on our safari tours and expeditions, please do connect with us on the platforms mentioned below. And if you'd like to know more on India's wildlife and our protected areas, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us. See you next time.